plan for this Power BI course curriculum, which should come with project management, because Shubhajit, Devjita, whoever will join your organizations, you have to cater your project specific different analytics that you need to do. You may not have understand about this project artifacts, but you need to perform the health of the project for a particular area you will. So basically I have sent a PDF to the group, and Shajol has made the first two things, the analytics part, and he will demonstrate, and rest will go on to next week once we have the sufficient data. For Joydeep, you have joined, specifically for you have joined because you have done the PMP and also doing kind of this Jira and all. Here it is your opportunity to see how you can check your project health, by which you can take a decision. Devjita, Shubhajit will not a decision maker. They are the developer, they will do the what the Sajal will do. The decision maker is Joydeep you. So you should remember your role. You are not a developer, you are a decision maker. The demonstrations today will do. Sajol, you have to tell Joydeep according to the graph which Sajol has performed, what is your understanding and what you feel about the project health for that demo one.
Okay.
Is that clear to everybody? Shubhajit, Devulina, Devjita, Joydeep.
Yes.
Okay. Sajol, I would like to request you to share your screen.
Yes, definitely. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes. I prepare some basic data based on the PDF of the project specific requirement. So we already know that what is the dimension table, what is the fact table. So we are basically complete to the modeling portion of the Power BI, and we will demonstrate the dashboard based on the PMP for the project management part.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Sajol. Whatever the columns you have added, project code, project title, status, current stage, project manager, that is instead of project manager you should write their team.
Okay.
And you should have another column, capacity. Yes, capacity. There you identify whether Team Gary is a project manager, developer, or whoever, UX designer or analytics. Yes.
Basically, role.
Role. Capacity means his role. I am totally focusing these things as per the agile.
Right.
Reason is I have added capacity. Joydeep.
Yes, I got it. Dekho.
Just copy paste.
Sajal, this is basically for one project only, right? You are just highlighting one project manager, some of the developer, designer, and all.
Yes, this should be. This should be this is a project. This is a mainly for the project master.
It has a Joydeep. It has a multiple project.
Okay.
Table which consists of the multiple project, and you as a program manager, mind it, Joydeep, you as a program manager try to evaluate the status of the individual project and you will take the decision. Devjita and Shubhajit is making the one which Sajol has done. They will do the coding and all parts. You will take the decisions out of the dashboard which Sajol will represent. Clear?
Okay.
Now team, capacity, start date, close date. You should add another two columns, Sajol. Actual start date, actual end date. This is the main
main thing. Yes.
This is the main thing. Actual start date, just give some different date. don't give the same date. Actual start date, you give some of the project give the same day actual date, but obviously the actual end date should be different because it is not possible for us to complete the project in time. Give some combinations, many combinations. Just give 4 combinations. That means same start date, same close date, different start date, same close date, same start date, different close date. These 4 combinations. This is we actually prepare Joydeep in Microsoft project. Let's say for example, you have done these things in Microsoft project. Now you are putting this Microsoft project Excel format to this Power BI in order to generate the report.
The health of the project.
For which, yes, for which you can take the decision. Devjita, Shubhajit, whatever you are saying, you need to develop is an own because you are an associate. You have to do the things which Sajal is doing. Joydeep is a program manager. He will take the decisions. Even he doesn't need to perform these things. He has the ready-made things. He will take the decisions.
Okay, I prepare 2 dashboard. For one is the based on the tasks, based on this data. What there only tasks is there, nothing else. Based on the tasks assigned to a start date, end date, number of days, start and plan
Sajal,
cost, actual cost, which I shared yesterday.
I would like to request you to make it from the scratch because your column has changed. So once it's changed, it will affect to your KPI or dashboard. So can
no,
you
okay.
Close this Excel sheet, open the Power BI and make it from scratch. Devjita, Shubhajit, you guys can try to your end. I hope you have all the software installed.
So I am importing the Excel.
New Excel, updated one.
Updated one.
Joydeep, have you installed Power BI?
Yes. It is open also.
Over there we have dim project, dim risk factor and packed risk list. So now we have 2 options, load or transform data. So we will check the transform data and clean the data and what are the relationship is that over there. So we'll check. So this is the project master, dim project.
Yes. See, everybody, the new updated part has come. Column has come, na? Actual start date, actual end date has come, na? Sajal?
Yes.
So it has come. This is the raw data. Okay, now progress.
And we have another data set also for the risk factor. So we'll cover accordingly.
What this risk? What is the factors list perform? What is this data is actual for?
For the once we come we will link the data for the project wise to manage the risks.
Okay. So you want to say you may have a multiple project. According to the status of the project, you will have to identify the risk of that particular project in the dashboard. Which one is highest, which is medium and low.
Right.
Yes.
But still the data we have to work with the data later on because yesterday you have shared. Based on this I prepare today only.
No issue. So, you just demonstrate the demo part. the data part Devjita will cover. You just give her the template. Sajol, what I am saying.
Yes, I'll share
it. I am the blend child of this. So just share my idea to Devjita and ask her to do some raw data entry, at least 60 to 70, and then ask her to share with you.
Once we finalize, so I will share with her for the data.
Can we start? Can we discuss it from the first? That one, the other one, other Excel sheet, the first one. This is the RICS one, right?
Just open that.
Just open the DIM project.
This is the one.
Over there we have project code, or title, status, current stage, and team, capacity, start date, end date,
actual start date,
actual end date.
Okay.
So we have another fact sheet, task list sheet, based on the project, and we have some issue or task, and every task has its enhancement, its type, enhancement type, debug type, and task type, task wise. And
this is actually Joydeep. I am telling, this is Joydeep master data relationship. The one he is showing here, it is a related table with the one. Here you will have to monitor about your project. This is the monitoring phase. When you are monitoring your phase, you identify some of the project is in enhancement stage, some of it's in the bug, some has already done. So accordingly that we will have an idea which project's growth is highest, which is low, and which is not perform the milestone. This is which we do in PMP or PMI theoretically, that he was to he is demonstrating. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. And every task has a start date, end date, and buffer, actual start date, actual end date.
Right.
And resource and everything. So we have the relationship within this with the DIM project and task list by the project code.
Yes, that is the primary key.
Primary key. That is the primary project code.
Primary and foreign key. Yeah.
Right.
Can you show the relationship? I think it's possible, na, to show the relationship.
Yes.
Please show it. Devjita, Shubhajit, you guys all know these things. Database relationship. He is doing the same things. Master data relationship, parent-child relationship.
So this is the data view and over there it's three view. Is the report view, data view, and relationship view. This is the relationship.
So it is 1 minute. Everybody, Devjita and Shubhajit, it is one-to-many relationship, and one is DIM risk factor is come. So a project can have a multiple risk. That is also one-to-many relationship, and multiple risk can have a multiple projects. So that will be also many-to-many relationship. Anyway, go ahead.
So there is no relationship you have made. Didn't make any relationship between the DIM projects and the risk factor.
He is doing.
Okay.
Yes, basically till now in the risk factor table there is no direct relationship. Okay. So that's why Power BI basically take the automatic relationship from the both tables, but in here there is no direct relationship over there. So we can stabilize within any field.
Not a primary key.
It's a forceful basically. It's a manual process.
Yeah, manual process, yes.
So Power BI have features for auto detect the relationship, and if there is it not matching the field level and data type level, so then we have to create the manual relationship over there.
So the relationship will be between the tax and the rigs, or between the project and the rigs?
No, project and the risks.
Then you made it between the tax and the risks, right?
So basically, this structure is not only till date now is completed. I am working on that.
No,
So that's why basically DIM project and fact sheet I already completed. We have to work in the risk factor, time, resource. So we have to complete it sequentially as the
okay.
Yes,
PDF
yes, yes.
structure. Okay.
Good.
So
No, just I was discussing which the observation which I'm getting. No? So that observation only I wanted to clarify.
So right now I am deleting the relationship for the tax and resource risk factor. Okay. So today basically we will complete the project and fact sheet.
Cool. Yes, that's right.
So we have the data view over there. If we need to any cleanness or anything, so we can changes the data. If based on the requirement, we can create the new measure, change, manage the add the new columns in the from there, and we also create the relationship or change the relationship from the relationship tab. So now we will go to the report part. So we want first
generate this report. You have to do it what he is demonstrating.
Yes.
Acha, just 1 minute. Don't use this pie. Something new with bar chart. Bar chart. Same, but bar chart is easy to show. Just go to some bar chart. Yes.
Okay. So over there, we are adding the project and we are adding the issue ID.
So it is showing the project and the progress of the project.
No, project wise, what are the issues is there?
Issue. Showing the issues. Count of issues per project, right?
Right. So we have another chart.
This is actually Joydeep. He is making a dashboard. We all know that dashboard is a multiple KPIs. So he is actually importing the KPIs by which you can take the decision.
For this, we have to need to the brainstorming what are the KPIs required for this. Based on this, we will prepare the data model and relationship and prepare the dashboard.
Devjita, you can do it on your own, whatever he is doing. Subhajit also. Acha. Where is the project title, Sajol? Oh, project title has come.
The down is the project title.
So as per the project title, it is showing count of issue type. That is a different color. What is actually represent, Joydeep? What do you understand with this particular graph?
Okay. This is the issue for a particular project. All the issues types are mentioned. So now the one which is blue is closed. The issues are closed. And for the one which is in orange, it is not yet started. And the dark blue is the one which is in progress.
Okay, so what do you think that, very good. What is this figure is actually signifying? This 1, 4, 5, what is the figure is this?
A number of issues.
for the particular project.
Particular projects, yeah. Number of issues for the particular
Now,
project.
if I tell Joydeep, what do you think that what are the fields still missing by which you can take the decision? Can you take the decision with saying this?
No, for a particular project, you cannot make 100% in progress. Something should be closed, right?
Yes.
Some issues should be closed. It's not that 100% is in progress or 100% is not started. So it should be a multicolor, it will be better. I think it's my view.
Okay, so what do you think? Do you feel you need to add some column here for which you can take the decision, or you feel the one which is there is sufficient to take the decision? I'm saying the column. Hold on there. Sajal, wait a minute.
Start date, we should mention the start date, actual start date.
Actual start date, actual end date not come here. Sajal did not add the status. So how will you understand if these bugs is come? So what is the status of that particular project? Whether the project has in ongoing, it is an enhancement, whether it is closed but the bugs has come. So you need to know from the status. Do you follow what I'm saying, Joydeep?
Yeah, but sir, if for the first one is 11 cases are there, issues are there. It means that the color signifies that it is closed. So now if any issues are reopened, then it should be signifies with a different color.
Right. So which field you need to add here?
Okay, oh, that's side, no, right hand side. Okay, I was seeing this side. Okay, the status we need to identify. The status just above the summary, the status. No, not here. Just go right hand side. Total right hand side. There is a sub.
Right.
Dan the ekdam niche.
हाँ,
Just status.
So is it changed? Status has changed.
Yes, this is the thing.
Now,
This was what I was mentioning.
this is actually I'm looking for. Now, Joydeep, Lina, business analyst. Do you
Yes.
what the with your current? I mean, this Power BI's dashboard with multiple project according to the status. What do you think if you are a decision maker?
It's a performance based diagram.
So, which project you see you want to
The first one.
focus first?
The first one we have to focus there is because what happened again? Because there is number of issues is more. Okay,
Yes.
out of 11 issues, the number of issues is more. The second one is that we have to focus on the sixth one. There is a number of issues is 3. So
Yes.
that is the one which we have to focus first. And simultaneously, we have to focus which is not started also. Earlier it
The
was
one
there-
which is not started.
Yes.
Acha, that is one part. And Sajol, can we
Yes.
import this report to PDF or Excel?
Yes, we can import.
What is this one to do and just a minute, Sojal.
हाँ,
What is to do and in progress is in with what color?
in
This
progress
color.
is the blue.
Then done is the
Only- This is the already done.
no. The first one, the status done. After yeah. This is the one blue. Then in progress.
Done means closed.
Yeah, that I understood. And what about in progress? In progress, just click on the in progress. Okay. Then sir, we have to focus on the first one and then fifth one first. Sixth one, I think 3. Yes. Then only after that only once it is done, then only we can focus on the other one. Or else the customer will be against it, will be behind us.
Yes.
So,
So,
yes, please.
yes, yes. Follow. Go ahead. It is your journey. I am a
Yes,
listener
my-
today. I am a listener. I do not know anything. I am a layman.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. So after first and the fifth one, then we should follow the one which is on us, which has the third number of issues. That is the second two number of issues. The number which is two. So simultaneously we should focus on those issues.
Yes.
And the UAT is done. It is done already. And the to do is one. Can you please explain the to do one? Sir.
To do means the things which we need to do. In Agile, we have, if we
Okay.
start
Then
from the AP.
okay. Then to do and in progress is same then.
Yes. To do.
Ah.
No.
not started.
Joydeep,
To do
1
not
minute.
started.
Let me clarify the concept boss first for Agile. To do and what you say? To do and
In progress.
in progress. To do means what I will need to do. In progress is doing. I am doing, and in
Then
the
the same.
doing sense,
Then in the graph it is showing to do also same and in progress also same. You click on in progress, Sojal? Yeah, that is this.
Defined, that is. In progress is the blue one.
Okay,
Only
okay.
one task is in progress, and to do is the basically this
Okay.
project
Okay,
is.
okay. I didn't observe the color. Yeah. Okay, fine.
So
To do is that,
I think
sir.
based
That
on
what?
this graph, we have to we can understand that we are working little bit in the project, basically only one in progress, but we have lot of pending tasks is there.
Okay. A lot of things are pending, sir. Only we are
Right.
focusing only on the fourth one now, which is in progress.
right,
But other things are not in progress. We have to focus on that first. Then, yeah, because there is the first one is having 4 issues, which is highest, and the second highest is the third is 3 issues. So simultaneously, we have to focus on these two also.
right.
Got it, sir?
বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পেরেছি।
Now go. Acha, Sajal, can you import these things to Excel? Because you want to demonstrate this. Joydeep, Lina, they will import it to Excel and they can manage this using pivot table. Because Power BI has the logic that they have done. Rest of the thing, customization, you can do it in Excel or Microsoft Project.
Right. We can import these things. We have the option of export data. We can export the raw.
Just click here, just click on the CSV, save as type Excel ta karo. CSV is very powerful tool, Joydeep, Lina.
Yes.
Very powerful tool. Microsoft
This is
Oracle cannot make it, but Microsoft did. It's a wonderful tool. I don't like Oracle, only PLSQL. Rest I don't.
Database. No. Database is also there. Powerful.
Very powerful, very powerful.
so this is the exported data.
Yeah, but where is the graph? Graph
No,
can
I already export that in the data.
nah, just go to the graph, the entire one. Is there any option? Is there? Yes. Now
It's not showing, but I can export. It can export.
why I am asking, because the logic has been done. We are perfect. We have taken the decisions. But if the project manager needs the raw data Excel, he don't need to focus on this Power BI. He can have the raw Excel file and he can customize this. So, to import.
Okay, I can customize in the Excel sheet, and based on the customer, again I can import it here, right?
Right. That's the reason I'm saying that is the main logic. Even you can do it in the Microsoft project also. You can take this Excel file to Microsoft project and you can customize in Microsoft project as well. Doc করছো কেন? Convert to doc করো না। Excel, convert to which one? Convert to. Click that. You will get the multiple. Convert to.
নিচেরটা কনভার্টটা নিচে হ্যাঁ
কনভার্টের উপরে তার উপরেরটা জাস্ট হ্যাঁ ক্লিক ওই যে ওখানে এক্সেল আছে ওই যে এক্সেল
নিচেরটা হ্যাঁ
কনভার্ট they are calling Adobe REST API.
It's record the Adobe.
Continue with Google. তোমার জিমেল অ্যাড্রেসটা দিয়ে হয়ে যাবে। ওটা আইডি চাইছে। পয়সা লাগবে না এটা অ্যাডোবের ক্লাউডে যাচ্ছে। মাইক্রোসফট ক্লাউডের থেকে। ঠিক আছে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি জয়দীপ we are doing সিস্টেম ইন্টিগ্রেশন এসআই করছি সিআই করছি এপিআই কল হচ্ছে এখানে একটা রেস্ট এপিআই কল হচ্ছে Adobe is also very good. Their cloud is also very strong. Save হয়েছে? Oh, asking money, na?
Yes.
Leave it.
No, in Power BI itself, you have two options, both options. You can export the data in Excel.
But why it is going to? No. When you are going for a conversion, why it is going to Adobe? Adobe is not Excel. It's not Adobe. It should be a free one, right?
It is PDF to Excel, but why PDF come? You can save it to Excel, save as Excel or import to Excel. General, can you do it?
No. Select PDF. এটাকে এই উপরের দিকে দেখুন।
Oh, select PDF. Just
ওটাকে Excel করুন।
বা Power BI ফরম্যাটে যে উপরে আছে কনভার্ট টুর উপরে।
হ্যাঁ।
উপরে আরো উপরে। এক্সপোর্ট
মানে PDF ছাড়া করতে পারবে না।
এই তো Excel
মানে
basically this is from Adobe. There is
acha, it is a features of Adobe.
These are features of Adobe. We are exporting the chart from the Power BI and opening in the PDF. Adobe.
That is possible, but can you open these things to Excel? I want just simple save these things in Excel and will open.
Go to first one. Just close these all things and close everything. সব বন্ধ করে দিন। হ্যাঁ। হ্যাঁ এখন দেখুন এখানে কোনো কনভার্সন আছে নাকি?
ফাইল export. It's a PDF only. Export to PDF. Graph will be export to PDF only. And you can export the data in the Excel format.
I think it is not licensed now, so it is. I think so.
Maybe. Yes, true. So it will be go to PDF only. Yeah, but we can do it, Joydeep. If it is a PDF, there is some software which I have that will convert that PDF to Excel. It will take time. I can do it. But anyway, that is not my concern.
We got it. Yes.
Yeah, we all were got the things. Lina, we have done the all PMP certifications. So do you think what Sajal is trying to demonstrate is he has made a raw Excel. I had made a template where he has added the project, multiple project name, project start date, end date, actual start date, actual end date, the person who is doing, and the capacity, role, and the project code. The project code should be the primary key. He is tried to align that with the master table, the fact table, and then generate the report by which as project manager Joydeep or Lina or anybody can take the decisions. Hey, Joydeep has told the right things. Depending upon to this KPI index, so Lina, which project you feel that is more vulnerable or will take focus fast among these?
The first one, city, CNV
Yes,
983.
right. So some of the project may also dependent to each others. Let's say for example, Joydeep try to recall in Microsoft project I have added multiple project. So if
Yes.
one project is changed, the sub project will also get changed.
Change.
So
Yes.
next time Shajol will try to make some dependency. Let's say for example I have A, B, C, D, 4 projects, Shajol. So A is the master project, B, C, D is under A. So anything changes to A will reflect to B, C, D, and anything the sub project B, C, D is changed will reflect to project A, but not individual to B and C. Do you get my point? What I'm saying, Shajol?
Yes, yes. In
Try
next
to
class,
make that
we will
template.
introduce the resource and risk analysis. And
Risk,
And,
yeah,
and, and,
risk and
and also we can do in the same one the dependency, project dependency.
yes, over there, I can filter in any particular, select any particular project, and based on the selection, the all the data will be changed.
yeah, no, I'm not saying like that.
And
My
now
scenario
I
is
understand.
okay.
Once I click on the project tax, maybe enhancement. So based on this, the dependent data will be changed. Effect.
Yes, yes. So for that, the project first you need to align with master data relationship with A, B, C, D. So if
Right.
anything change to A will reflect to B, C, D, E. But in the sub project, if anything change on B, it will reflect A but not C and D, and vice versa. Clear, Joydeep? This is my
Yes.
point. That we
That
need to
what
make.
that what we have done in the Microsoft last class.
Microsoft project we done, it is a click of mouse, but here we can demonstrate these things more clearly because Microsoft project has some limitations. We have done it perfect, but in terms of showing the report, Joydeep, we can analyze all the projects, but here we can do the filtrations which he is doing. So if I do the filter of project A, it will show only project A. If I filter project B, it will show both project A and B because B is under A. It won't show C, D, E. If I filter C, it will see both A and C, not others. So that we cannot do in Microsoft project. We can do it in Microsoft Power BI.
And
My
over there we
concept
have
is clear.
also the drill down functionality is there.
Sorry?
Drill down functionality is there in the Power BI.
Yes. That is our next task. Can you
Right.
make it? Do you need, Sajol, my intervention to making these things or you can prepare it on your own?
I can prepare it on. I will share you the once the data template will be ready. I will share with you, and I need some help
I
from
will
the
confirm.
data also for the data.
For the entry. For the
Sajal,
entry.
Sajal,
Yes, yes,
can you share with me that Excel sheet? One
yes.
we
I
have
will share in the group. I will share in the group. No issue.
Okay. Fine.
এটা শেয়ার করে দাও
If you
so
can help by the data, it will be great opportunity from us.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Joydeep and Lina, do you have raw data?
No, I don't have any raw data. Just for that only I'm asking some data. That
Data?
Excel sheet. I don't have any. I have to prepare. That's the thing. I need till Monday, not tomorrow. Till tomorrow, I'm very busy. So Tuesday, I can do everything. I can
Okay.
prepare the raw data and all.
ঠিক আছে অসুবিধা নেই সজল you just make a template and confirm from me If needed, I will add some columns. Rest you share with Devjita. She will entry the data. And also try to, because she is very junior, try to ask her to give some real-time data, not any bogus things. Proper name, proper start
Right,
date,
right.
end date. ওইগুলো একটু ওকে বলো। So okay, so I want everybody to perform. It's good session. I am here because I just start the milestone. Otherwise people was not understanding what actual focus is. We are learning BI is a big things, but we should have a focus area. Which particular area will focus? Our main area of focus is the project management, PMI. Everybody should understand now, and we will move to the rest of the reports which I have assigned to that PDF. Is that clear? Okay, everybody?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
ঠিক আছে. Thank you. So Sajal, we are dropping the call, and I want every Devjita and Subhajit, why you people are mute? You have understood everything?
হ্যাঁ সপ্তর্ষি স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন ছিল, সেটা হচ্ছে যে
Yes.
একটা তো সার্টিফিকেশনের জন্য তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি সজলদা স্টার্ট করেছিল পড়ানোটা, তো
It
তো
is
সেটা
also
কি
part of
কন্টিনিউ?
certification. In
না এবার
certification you will get these things.
না অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওই মানে সিলেবাস ওয়াইজ সজলদা পড়াচ্ছিল, ঠিক আছে, এবার সেটা কি কন্টিনিউ হবে না, মানে সেভাবে কি
হ্যাঁ
হবে না?
হ্যাঁ হবে, হবে অবশ্যই হবে। তো যেটা সজল করাচ্ছে, দিস ইজ ভেরি মাচ উইথ দ্য, এখানে যারা যারা উপস্থিত আছে, এভরিবডি উইল ডু দ্য সার্টিফিকেশন। জয়দীপ,
Yes.
even সজল himself will do the certification. Whatever I am trying to demonstrate here, it is the DAX of the part. Whenever you will get the certification questions, they will represent you this kind of graph, and they will ask you to take the decision. So if you are not able to understand these things, how will you give that answer? Many questions also, all are multiple choice questions in the certifications. So we'll cover it both. ठीक है शुभजीत?
ওকে।
Okay, Sajal, I am
Yes.
giving you another task. This Shubhajit and Devjita has already certified. Devjita is Power BI certified. It doesn't need. She doesn't need. So what you can do is you can divide these things in the two part. In the certification part, the area which you cover is the very nominal things that you can cover for next day, and identify the certifications for only certifications area that you cover. If you covered fine, the things which you not covered you will demonstrate. Rest whatever I have given to you, we will demonstrate. So we can do these things parallel, because after all it is Power BI. Whether we do the certification or whether we do the graph, it is Power BI. So it is all same. So you make the two things separately. The syllabus one,
Right.
the one which I have shared you is for the project management,
Hmm.
and the one you have for the certification, that also demonstrate. Let's say for next week, when we'll start the class, for 10-15 minutes we will demonstrate the certification area, which is very intangible for Shubhajit, and then we will ramp up the one which we have for the next version. Clear? This is how we will.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I will do one thing. From the next class, I will share the topic previously, so that accordingly we will go through the Power BI report side, as well as the for the in respect of the exam side, so that both
Yes.
will be covered.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So here
Okay.
only Devjita have the
Certified.
certified,
Devjita
and
certification ache, but Devjita, on when she got the certification, I taught her. That is 1 year ago, but now she forget. She does not practice. When she has joined PwC, she is getting hit to perform. Reason is she is there. So it is all whatever she is learning from scratch.
No, she
I
is
know.
working on Power BI only, no, in PwC.
Yes, Power BI, Power BI. She will join next coming Tuesday. You join associate Power
Oh.
BI. She will work Power BI. Shubhajit also working as a Power BI.
So
They-
it will be on the project basis or the project management basis?
No, it is both project management and project basic. Every project you have a project management. So that is the reason I am telling this guy. So when it is a particular project, there will be a project management. They need to handle multiple Excel sheets supplied by their project managers, and they need to generate the different graphs advised by the project manager. The one the Sajal is showing, they do not know. Maybe they do not know what is variance, but according to the project manager advice, they need to perform and generate the graphs and supply to the higher management. That is their role of.
Okay, fine, I got it. It was a good session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.